Your kitchen is the center point of your home, so your hard floors are often full of life's little messes. Having a more efficient and convenient cleaning tool leaves you more time to do the things you love. The Hard Floor Expert Deluxe from Bissell is designed to be gentle on your hard floors, but tough on dirt and debris. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe features a turbine hard floor dusting tool designed with soft bristles to safely pick up dirt and fine debris. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe maximizes cleaning with powerful suction, but with its non-marring wheels, you can clean without scratches, scuffs, or marks, leaving your floors looking their best. For the more delicate surfaces in your home, Hard Floor Expert Deluxe is equipped with variable suction, so with a touch of the fingertip controls, you can quickly and conveniently adjust your cleaning power. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe has been engineered with the features that matter, so you can maximize the cleaning of the hard floors you love in one compact, easily storable unit. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe.
Clean anywhere, anytime with the Hoover ONEPWR blade, Hoover's best cleaning cordless stick vacuum. It gives you the ultimate freedom and versatility you need to clean all of life's messes without being tethered by a cord. Blade's multi-surface brush roll cleans messes across hard floors, carpet, and rugs throughout your home, while the dual cyclonic dust vault system captures the dust, dirt, and pet hair with no loss of suction. And since Blade is powered by the exclusive removable, rechargeable ONEPWR battery, simply swap and go for up to 70 minutes of powerful, fade-free cleaning. Plus, you can easily transition to handheld mode to leave no surface untouched, from the stairs to the ceiling or wherever else the dirt's hiding. And with a completely removable dirt cup, cleanup is seriously easy from start to finish. Best of all, Blade is part of the ONEPWR system. This innovative family of high-performance cleaning tools is powered by the same ONEPWR battery to give you continuous, whole home cleaning inside and out. Clean longer and go farther with the Hoover ONEPWR Blade cordless stick vacuum.
Please start self-cleaning mode.
the Shark Vertex Ultralight Duo Clean Power Fins and the Shark Ultralight vacuums are versatile and can be used in different cleaning modes to clean everything from your bare floors and carpets to your staircase and countertops. To clean in upright mode, turn the vacuum on and select your desired floor type. Note that for the Shark Ultralight vacuum, there is no LED UI, just a power button and a slider switch to change floor settings. With a foot on the floor nozzle, tilt the handheld vacuum back to engage. You can easily switch between bare floor and carpet mode as desired. To clean with the hand vac, press the power button and you're ready to go. There is only one setting in this mode. You can also use these vacuums to clean areas of your home other than floors, including hard to reach areas like your ceiling or your baseboard. To do so, simply press down on the foot pedal on the nozzle and pull the wand up with the hand vac attached. Now with a precision tip, you can aim for those stubborn cobwebs, dusty fans, or get into those hard to reach areas behind your furniture. To activate the hand vac only, press the wand release latch at the top of the wand. You can use the handheld vacuum to clean your couch, tabletop, and even the inside of your car. With the precision tip, this serves as a built-in accessory for quick and easy cleaning. These vacuums also have a precision tip for precise pickup on counter surfaces, windowsills, or you can clean your couch with different accessories. I like to use the self-cleaning pet power brush on the couch to get a deep cleaning. Lastly, this is a cool trick for stair cleaning. Take the handheld vac and insert it into the nozzle. Now you have a mini vacuum to target narrow spaces and clean all the stairs in your house without lugging around a heavy vacuum. How cool is that?